Hello everyone, hope your GMAT preparation is doing great. My name is Abhijit Rai. I am a Columbia Business graduate, and like you, I was on my GMAT journey a few years ago. Since then, I have helped hundreds of students ace their GMAT by helping them better their GMAT preparation strategy, helping them improve their problem solving skills, and if needed, creating customized programs to help them ace their GMAT. All the content on this channel is free. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep bringing these important tips and tricks directly to you when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, please do not forget to also comment on my videos, and I'm very particular about responding to all the comments. Hope to see you soon. Please do not forget to like any of the videos that you find helpful and also subscribe to my channel.